Recently, I have bought a renewed product from Amazon.in. This is Samsung Tab S7 FE that I have purchased at a price point of 29,992 rupees. In this video, we will check out how is the quality of the product that has been sent to me as a renewed product. There are two red tapes and two cello tapes. The box seems to be original. Now let's unbox and let's see what else is there in the box. This is Samsung Tab S7 FE. Let me put it aside for a while. In the box there is original Samsung 15-watt charger and original as well as it is almost new. There are no scratches on it. This is S Pen. It also looks almost new. There are no scratches on it. After that, in this there is nothing. Then this is the SIM ejection tool and this is the charging cable type C to USB A. It is also almost new as you can see from this. Now coming to the tablets itself, there are no scratches or any dent on this tablet. The back of the tablet is made of metal and it gives you a good feeling. Samsung branding on the left top and this is the camera layout. The screen is of about 12.4 inches. Let me power on the device. Samsung logo, as you can see, volume rocker and power button. The selfie camera on this tablet is located at the middle of this landscape mode. The front glass is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and as you can see there are no scratches on it, though it is a renewed product. Now coming to the display, Samsung Tab S7 FE features a 12.4 inches of display. Though it is TFT LCD display, the color reproduction and display quality is excellent, though it cannot be matched with AMOLED displays that has been provided with Samsung S7 or S7 Plus. You can definitely say that this is a very good display. The aspect ratio of the screen is 16:10 and it feels snappy. It has 778G processor with the Wi-Fi version as you can see, and going to about section of this tablet you can find out and software information. Let me give you an idea. As I have purchased it as a renewed product, the security level seems to be 1st June 2021. It means that tablet has been used for 2 to 3 months hardly. It runs on operating system Android 11. It is a truth that whether it is LCD or it is AMOLED, Samsung displays are the best in class. This tablet has a good viewing angles, though it is a TFT LCD display, but it is a Full HD Plus display as the display resolution is 2560:600. This tablet will be ideal for those who consumes a lot of multimedia contents. This tab has a great advantage as it supports S Pen and the S Pen comes within the box. This is an ideal tablet for students and office worker. You can do your jobs and play around with the S Pen. This is a normal S Pen, so you don't have to charge it. The latency of the S Pen is little bit higher, but in your naked eyes you cannot feel the difference. With the help of this S Pen, you can do a lot of productive work like writing and drawing pictures. If you are liking this video, then you can subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share this video with your friend. With the help of S Pen, you can perform various activities like if you are into reading mode, you can translate live using your S Pen. You just have to hover the S Pen over the word which you want to translate, then it will show you the translation. In this way, you can have a good reading experience. The translation can be done by using various languages. You can turn on language according to your preference. Coming to the stereo quality, this is a tablet with two speakers, one at the bottom, one at the top. Let's have some music samples. The audio quality of this tablet is excellent. Now finally the question arises whether you should buy renewed products or not. In my case, I got luckily a good product with all the originals items in it. You must keep in mind one thing. There is no warranty or guarantee that you will get all the original items in the box. So there is a risk of buying renewed products. So it depends on you whether you want to buy renewed products or not. Sometimes customers get good products and sometimes they are befooled by the sellers. So beware of buying old products or renewed products from any online e-commerce site like Amazon, Flipkart or else. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I will separately post a review video regarding this tablet. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much.